iCure, a leading for-profit primary healthcare provider, is providing affordable and accessible healthcare delivery to the remotest parts in India with the combination of community health workers who are selected from the villages, mostly village women in the age range of 20 to 45, 50 years of age, wherein they are given smartphones loaded with our application and medic bags that has various essential point of care devices such as BP instrument, ECG machine, hemoglobin testing device, and several others. So these community health workers, they actually go to the remotest parts in the patient's doorstep, wherein they capture all the vitals of the patients, and once this data is entered into the system, it will tell whether the patient is within the normal range or the higher range. On the other days, these patients can come at the clinics or the spokes which operate twice in a week, wherein they get access to physical doctor consultation, computers, eye checkup, medicines, and other essential tests. If they need access to various pathology tests or specialist consultations, they can come to the hub, which is at a maximum distance of 20 kilometers, wherein they get all the basic services. So through this combination of a layered approach, right from the hubs to the spokes and in the last mile of community health workers, we are able to provide a comprehensive, sustainable primary health care to the remotest parts in India. In the last 7 years of our journey, we have touched 6 states, serving close to 5.5 million population, treated more than 7.5 lakh patients, and now we are looking to touch more than 20 million patients in the next 3 to 4 years. Public healthcare is like a black box wherein you have so many unknowns. In the last 7 years of our journey, we have created a collaborative ecosystem wherein we work with the ground partners such as Tata Trust, Rotary, Pradhan, the various research partners like MIT, University of Michigan in US, University of Dalberg, Oxford University, and in various hospital partners like AIMS, Narayana Health, and others. So through these collaborative ecosystem, we are able to provide a sustainable primary healthcare delivery to these rural people. For the last 2 years, we have been associated with GAP, Global Action Against Poverty, wherein they have provided us various supports such as networking, funding relations, business relations, and many others. For the past 1 year, they have assigned a life coach from Sydney, Australia, Sab Chaudhary, who has really acted as a sounding board for me during any kind of decisions, challenges wherein I have come across. We really look forward to a stronger association between GAP and iCure in the years to come. Thank you.